Okay, filming, crack on, and action.
We had a phone call from Tom, TGE. He needs to put some fuel into his brand new Lamborghini Aventador SV he's just picked up. He rang us and said, Mike, we need to get some kits into some nice retailers, so here we are. We just had these turn up today. This is the Winning Touch detailing kit. When it comes to sort of car polish, there's a lot to choose from. It can be a bit of a minefield, so it's nice to be able to just have one product in one bag to take with you. We're not trying to compete with places like Halfords where they have 50 products, you know, 50 different types of shampoos, 50 different types of polish. They're all really good. We just want to have something a bit more bespoke. But what I want to just show, Patrick, what are your first thoughts of it? Looks like a gym bag. It's good.
I like it. It's keeping in with the London Muscle kind of gym vibes.
Yeah, it is good.
Money vibes.
When you go to the gym, you have everything in it. Your supplements, your juice, your water, your shake, your trainers, your bag, you know, your whatever else is all in there.
Jock strap.
If you wear them at the gym. What I really quite like about it is that when you open up inside, the wheel stuff is one side and the car stuff is the other. So we'll just go through basically what you get in the kit. Applicator pad for your tyre dressing. Speed detailer. This is basically, it's also a slight protection as well, so this will protect the car. So the good thing about this is once your car is cleaned and you go into a show, take this with you, works on everything, all your plastics, your glass, your rubbers and that sort of stuff, so that's good. And it also smells nice as well. Glass detailer, does what it says. Have here a snow foam shampoo as well, which is, looking forward to trying this one out. Looks good in the picture, so that'll be good. The other side, the wheel stuff, so we have obviously your Purple Power wheel cleaner. This is pretty good. This will turn your wheel purple, don't get worried about it. It's basically pulling all the iron off of the system. People may have seen a picture of it, it looks like it's kind of bleeding. It basically pulls the iron off of the system, cleans the wheel properly, and then they have the tyre dressing as well. So, wheel and tyre, bodywork and glass. Also within the kit you get a mega amount of gloves. Nobody wants to walk around a show when you're covered in tyre.
What I like as well, if you notice, it's got different sizes on it.
Yeah, large XLs were properly done, you see. Plenty of decent quality microfiber towels, they feel really nice.
Some a fiddle.
Oh. Good. Fine cloths, they're in there as well. 2 wash mitts. The reason why you have 2, wheels, car, keep it simple, stop putting your dirty wheels onto there. So it's really good, real complete kit, really nice, nicely packaged, nicely laid out, nicely thought. It's quite a new product, so they will keep adding to the range. The good thing is as well, also in the bag, which is also red line, there is extra compartments. But it's nice to have a complete system, put in your car and you've got everything you need to. If you go to a coffee and car event, you go to a show, or you just can have a detail on a sunny Sunday afternoon. Everything is in one place, put it in, and off you go. We've got on a display, we have them in stock, as TG would say, get in the pot and get ordering.